In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send Word document in Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and we can open up Facebook Messenger, we can get into some conversation, and also we can notice that there is no option to send any type of file directly from the Messenger app. So I recommend you to use Google Drive application. It is free. You can easily download it from App Store or Play Market. And once you have opened this app, just tap at the plus sign, select Upload, Browse, search for your Word file, tap on it to upload it, tap at Locate. That may help you to easily find the file you have just uploaded, and then we need to tap at three dots and then copy link. After that, we can go to Messenger, open up a conversation, and then all we have to do is just paste the link we have just copied. In this way, we can easily send Word file in Facebook Messenger.